Introducing the 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, a garage find with a single-owner history. Originally delivered from Tennessee, this classic comes with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission and a 289 V8 engine. It needs some attention, including top and front-end engine work, but the foundation is solid for restoration. While it doesn't currently run, this Fairlane offers plenty of potential with its vintage appeal. With its storied past and unique charm, this is a great project for enthusiasts. Don't miss the opportunity to bring this classic back to life. Presenting the 1933 Chevrolet Master, a 92-year-old classic that runs great and features a recently installed wiring harness. This car has a solid wood structure and a rust-free body, making it an excellent candidate for restoration. The interior requires work, including replacing missing door panels, but the vehicle's exterior is in excellent shape for its age. This vintage Chevrolet is perfect for collectors or anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history. It's a rare find with immense potential. Meet the 1964 Cadillac DeVille Sedan, a solid classic with a rebuilt carburetor and starter. This car runs decently and features newer thin whitewall tires. The body is solid, but the vehicle needs transmission work as it won't shift out of first gear. Additional repairs include addressing a power steering leak, replacing the gas tank, and some interior updates. With a bit of effort, this DeVille can be transformed into a showstopper. It's a project car with plenty of charm and potential. Introducing the 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS, featuring its original numbers matching 327 engine and 4-speed transmission. This solid-bodied classic retains its factory Azure Aqua paint and has been stored in a heated garage for the last decade. While the car ran well when stored, it now requires some restoration, including trunk repairs and interior updates. With its rich history and stunning design, this Impala is a dream project for any collector looking to revive a true American icon. Explore the potential of this 1965 Ford Mustang, a clear-titled Arizona classic with a solid body and frame. This Mustang includes all interior seats and parts, making it a great candidate for restoration. The dash is in decent condition, and the floors are in good shape despite needing some cleaning. With its classic design and included parts, this Mustang offers an excellent starting point for enthusiasts seeking to restore a timeless icon. Here is the 1965 Ford F-100 Stepside, a classic short bed truck that runs and drives great. This vintage vehicle features new tires and is in decent shape for its age. With its rugged design and dependable performance, this F-100 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to own a piece of classic Americana. Whether as a daily driver or a restoration project, this truck offers versatility and style. Discover the 1965 Mercury Monterey Breezeway, a unique classic known for its electric roll-down rear window. Recently used as a daily driver, this car features a stock 390 FE engine with a Mercomatic 3-speed transmission. While it has minor rust on the rear quarter panels and needs some interior and mechanical work, the Monterey has received numerous upgrades, including new seats, fuel lines, and shocks. It's a comfortable and eye-catching vintage car with plenty of potential. Take a look at the 1966 Dodge D250 regular cab, a vintage truck equipped with a rebuilt 70s Mopar 318 engine and 727 transmission. Although it hasn't run in 6 years, this Dodge has the makings of a solid restoration project. Its rugged design and classic charm make it a great addition for collectors or enthusiasts ready to bring it back to life. Step into history with this 1967 Cadillac Miller Meteor, a hearse with 71,000 miles that runs and drives. While it needs a replacement fuel tank, this unique vehicle is otherwise in solid condition and perfect for someone looking to restore a rare classic. With its iconic design and storied past, this Cadillac offers an incredible opportunity to own a one-of-a-kind vintage car. Introducing the 1967 Dodge D150 regular cab, a mid-90s restoration with almost zero rust. Powered by a 318 engine paired with a 727 transmission, this truck runs and drives, but could use some minor TLC. With its clean yellow exterior and black interior, this Dodge is perfect as a daily driver or a light restoration project. It's a classic truck with enduring appeal and versatility. Introducing the 1968 Plymouth Fury 3, a classic beauty with a unique charm. This vehicle has driven approximately 1,234 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Its exterior showcases a classic blue finish, while the interior is presented in sleek black. Powered by a 318 engine, it has received numerous updates and runs and drives well. Although the bodywork is older, it remains presentable and perfect for those seeking a fun and enjoyable ride, even if it's not a show car. This Plymouth Fury offers a fantastic opportunity for a vintage car enthusiast to own a reliable and stylish classic. Trades are possible, so feel free to inquire. Next up is the impressive 1969 Buick Electra 225, also known as the Deuce and a Quarter. This vintage masterpiece has been meticulously maintained, with only 118,000 miles driven over its 55 years. Featuring a classic gray exterior and a sophisticated black interior, this Buick is a true standout. It's powered by a petrol engine and includes an automatic transmission. The car remains largely original, apart from a new carburetor, and comes with 2 numbers matching carbs, extra hubcaps, fuzzy dice, and a large car cover. Additionally, it includes the factory build sheet and extensive paperwork, documenting its rich history. A garage-kept treasure, this Buick is perfect for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a clean and authentic classic. Introducing the rugged 1969 Chevrolet G20 van, a true workhorse with a classic appeal. This truck has clocked 50,000 miles and boasts a freshly built 383-stroker engine with less than 1,000 miles, professionally crafted by A1 Machine in Springfield. Equipped with a 700 R4 4-speed automatic transmission, it was originally a standard but has been upgraded for modern performance. The factory air conditioning components are intact but currently non-functional. The van also features power steering, power brakes, and a solid, clean body with a blue-on-blue color scheme. With a clear title in hand, this truck is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to own a reliable and iconic classic. Here is the 1969 Chevrolet Impala, a solid project car for enthusiasts looking to restore a classic. Featuring a blue exterior with off-white accents inside, this Impala has an automatic transmission and a history free of significant damage. It comes without an engine, offering a clean slate for customization. Unique features include shaved door handles and a tubular suspension. The car also includes a complete front bumper and grille, making it a promising foundation for restoration. With its timeless design and solid structure, this Impala is a perfect project for someone willing to invest the time and passion to bring it back to life.